Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Information and click on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to other ones you need. If you wish to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!